Let's do a little sloppy stage 3, 5-3 cold start idle, and we'll get some warm-up idle, some revs, and maybe a little two-step. Camera don't focus. Oh, can you see it? It's at 44 degrees, 45. It's bouncing back and forth, and it is 29 degrees outside. Let's get out of my neighborhood before they hate me even more. We'll get some warm idle in a minute. There you go. That's what a sloppy stage 3 cam and a 5.3 sounds like in a Miata. As always, I appreciate you watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I hope you enjoy this little sound clip video. We'll see y'all in the next one. Later, y'all.